approach it. One idea is solipsism, where a person goes into mania and they take on all these different sort of philosophical approach. One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you're looking at,
you know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
A one-point perspective, like a desert.
Disorder. So let's dive into specifically what exactly is bipolar. You have different sorts of bipolar. You have bipolar 1, which is manic episodes. You have bipolar 2, which is hypomania. You have third bipolar, which is considered cyclothymia or cyclothymia. And then you have bipolar 4, which is atypical, which doesn't technically apply.